Good afternoon, everybody. I'm coming to you today to introduce you to the Mississippi mud truck. She didn't always look this pretty, but now she does. Today's a very special day to me. 1 year ago on this date, another very special person come into my life. A grandson. Today's his birthday. His name's Mason. So Mason, Grandpa, and the Mississippi mud truck, we wish you a happy birthday. This one's yours, Mason. May everybody out there wish my grandson a happy birthday. I hope you get to see this video, Mason. Grandpa loves you. Love you very much. Thank you all. You all be safe out there. And have a great day. We'll see you around. Bye.